Most traders miss this hiding strategy. Here is why you must know this strategy today. What's up, traders? It's your boy Edson here, back again with another game changing video to help you level up your trading game. This time around, we are cutting through all the noise and getting straight to the point. A simple yet powerful strategy that actually works for beginners. This isn't just another strategy breakdown. This right here, guys and girls, is an actual system that will help you avoid the common mistakes that always keep traders stuck. So stick around because I will cover first the core principles of this strategy, how to spot the best trading setups. Thirdly, the perfect entry and exit strategy. And most importantly, how you can start using this today and be a winner. So no fluff, no unnecessary complexity, just pure actionable knowledge. So let's dive right in. To make sure that you completely understand this strategy, I'm going to explain the strategy based on this buying trade that you see on the screen that we took on volatility 101S index this week. So I'm going to start with step number one of you understanding this strategy. Step number one is you have to start doing this analysis on the daily time frame. So let us go to the daily time frame and see how the information that we are getting on the daily time frame. So one can ask him or herself, why are you going on the daily time frame? The main reason of us going on the daily time frame is pretty simple and pretty straightforward. Why? Is because we are using the daily time frame as our highest time frame where we will know the general direction of this market movement. Remember, for the case of beginners traders, there are only three types of market movements that there is in Forex trading. So since this is a beginner's trading video, let me draw the illustration of these two types of market movements that we always trade here at Forex Clubhouse. The first one is the downtrend direction where the market is moving, providing you with series of lower lows and lower highs. The second type of movement that we always trade here at Forex Clubhouse that you should know is the uptrend direction where the market is moving by providing you with series of higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and higher highs. So these are the only two types of movement that we always trade here at Forex Clubhouse. So getting back to our charts right here, we can see this market was moving, providing us with series of lower lows and lower highs, a typical way of how the downtrend market is moving. So based on our illustration here of how this market is supposed to move on a downtrend direction, so we know that after the market breaks a structure right here, the market tends to always come to retest before actually continuing to sell. We saw also right here when we were drawing this illustration right here that the market tends to retest before actually selling. So this retesting right here, that means there were buyers who were buying onto this market before the sellers come in to retest. Now, I know you may have watched some of the videos that they say always write the trend. Like, okay, if this market is moving in a downtrend direction, then in order for you to be safe, you should always just look for selling opportunities. But hey, you are a day trader. You have to trade every day so that you can feed your family, all right? Because let's say from here, let me use this tool like here. Let's say from here to here, it takes you almost 3 days or almost 4 days and takes you almost 1,000 points. You cannot just stay idle waiting for the market to come all the way to you here so that you can get your entry opportunities. No, you have to also get a system on the lower time frame that will help you get to this retesting point so that if you get other conferences to sell, so that you can keep continuing to sell. This is what we did right here. We said, okay, we know that this market is moving on a downtrend direction based on this illustration right here. But again, after the market broke this structure right here, we said to ourselves, okay, we know that this market has to come to retest to our areas of daily liquidity areas before actually starting to sell. So we said, okay, this is the first information that we got on the daily time frame. And we said, okay, now let us see if the lower time frame will actually give us the confidence to enter into this market as buyers and not sellers, because hey, from here to here was a lot of pips, guys and girls. So we went to the 1 hour time frame. And on the 1 hour time frame, your only responsibility for you as a trader is to look for the shift of the market character. Assuming you are a beginner trader, let me draw an illustration here for you so that you can understand a little bit more and a little bit faster. This is the way the market has been moving on a downtrend. You can see here we have in our series of lower lows and lower highs. A shift of the market characters occurs when the market breaks the previous lower high right here of a downtrend movement. So whenever the market breaks your shift of the market character right here, that means the market is shifting from moving the series of lower lows and lower highs to series of higher highs and higher lows. Hence the term, the word shift of the market character. The word itself, I think it's self-explanatory. Like we are shifting our characters from moving in series of lower lows and lower highs to another series of higher highs and higher lows. Hence the shift of the market character. So based on this price movement right here, we can see our shift of the market character occurred right here. So the moment the market broke this character right here, we said, okay, now we are going to the daily liquidity areas that we saw previously just moments ago. So we said, okay, since this market has already provided us with a shift and we know what the meaning of shift, that means we are shifting from moving in series of lows and low highs to series of higher highs and higher lows. So we said, no worries, we will just get this movement and the market again continue to break the previous higher high right here to form another higher high. So we said now right here we will enter the market on the recent area of liquidity, which was at this point right here. But lucky for us, or unfortunately for us, we did not press any buy limit orders right here because the way this market was moving in a very strong momentum to the downside. So we said, the way this market is moving, the market might provide you with a liquidity grab or a liquidity sweep. So we said, okay, we will not enter with buy limit orders on this market due to this momentum. But the moment the market started to move with a very high momentum to the upside direction, then we said to ourselves, okay, now the buyers are very strong to this market and we entered the trades right away. No matter how good the setup is, guys and girls, I never personally risk more than 1 to 2% of my account on a single trade. Beginners, I think, often make the mistake of over-leveraging, which is a fast track to growing an account. You have to always play smart, protect your capital, and let probabilities run in your favor. And another point that you should know, once the price starts to move in your direction, all right, always manage your trade by locking in your profits, either by moving your stop loss to break even just like this or taking partial profits. You have to remember the goal in forex trading isn't just about winning, it's to stay in the game long enough for you to keep winning constantly. Listen, trading isn't just about finding the holy grail, right? It's about sticking to a process that works and executing it with discipline. Most traders fail because they complicate things or they chase just shortcuts, all right? But we have to know that success in trading isn't just about doing more, it's about doing less but better. If you're struggling, do not give up. Every trade, every lesson, every moment you spend learning puts you one step closer to becoming the trader that you want. Always, you have to stay patient, you have to stay disciplined, and you have to trust the process. So, if this strategy makes sense to you, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you never miss my next video. And if you want real time insights and exclusive trading strategies, you can join my Telegram group. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy trading.